everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will clearly understand the batch payment versus group payment in Odoo 19 accounting module. So this video is very helpful for you guys because so many people are getting confused about these two topics inside accounting module. Both are used when you have multiple invoices or multiple vendor bills to complete the payments, or you want to make the payments efficiently using Odoo 19 accounting module. But they solve two different problems, not one. So today I'll explain this using real examples step-by-step manner. Okay. So let's imagine a real life problem inside your company. Imagine this situation, which is you receive many vendor bills or multiple invoices at a day or at a time. You want to make payment each one in a manual way, but you want a clean and professional or organized payment process as well. So here Odoo gives you two tools to solve this problem, which is a group payment and a batch payment. So let's understand them using a real example. Before understanding or using a real example, I want to explain the group payment in simple term, which is creating one single payment entry that settles multiple invoices or multiple vendor bills is called group payment. So let's see that. Here we have customer and vendor. Under the customer, there we have invoices, and under the vendors, we have bills. So for creating a group payment inside Odoo 19 accounting module is very simple. I'm moving on to the customer side and clicking on the invoices. So there we have different kind of invoices with different status, which is posted, sent, partially paid, and everything. So here I'm going to select multiple invoices, or more than that, I can simply select them. And here the criteria of a group payment is like you have the same customer with multiple invoices, which means you only need to record the payments in accounting with multiple invoices are cleared together, but there you need to use a customer with same customer with different invoices. Okay. So here I'm selecting your company oil bills. I can simply select them, and there you can find a pay button and just click on there, and you will get wizard like this. So you can provide the journal, payment method, and the amount and the payment date as well. So here you can find another option, which is group payment. So this wizard is asking you like only one payment will be created by the partner bank instead of one per bill. So if you want to create this as a group payment, you can simply enable this option and click on the create payment. So there you can finally see all the details and the memo as well. So let's create a payment. So by moving on to there, here you can finally see a form. So there you can find which is the reference and the payment type and the customer, the amount, the memo, and there we have the company bank account as well. So if you want to validate this group payments, you can simply click on the validate button and it's in page status. So here you are cleared multiple invoices at a time with the same vendor. Okay. So group payment actually focused on reducing the number of payment entries and keeping the ledger clean and summarize it. In short, we can see group payment is about accounting simplicity. Now let's talk about what you mean by batch payment in Odoo 90. So the batch payment means it's creating multiple individual payments but processing them together as a batch. For that we need to get two payments or multiple payments. So here I'm moving on to the customers, and there we have the payments, or we have another tool for the batch payment as well. So before creating a batch payment, we need to configure one option under the configuration settings. Moving on to there you can finally see the batch payment, and you need to enable that option before creating them. So under the customer payments, here we have a configured option, which is group payment into a single batch to ease the reconciliation process. So you need to enable this process. Okay. So there you can find it. And once you are enabled this, please do hit the save button as well. And let me move to the customers and under the payments. Okay. And there we have different payment method. So there we have two payment method. Here I'm choosing this two, and I can simply click on create batch. By clicking on create batch, it will create a batch payment. Okay. So now you can find the batch type, which is inbound. There we have the bank details and the payment method, date, and reference. So under the batch content, you can finally see which are the, what are the payments that we are given under this. Okay. So, and we have the date, memo and amount view as well. So if you want to add any particular batch or the payments, you can simply add them as well. So once you are done with all those things, or if you want to view them, you can also view it. And if you are done with all of this, you can validate. Okay. By clicking on the, okay, these payments have been checked. Okay. No problem. So let's move to the customers and let's create new 2 payments. Okay, no problem, with different customers as well. So here I'm creating a payment with Abigail Carter, the amount which is $200. Let's confirm this. Okay. Now let's create a new one also with a different customer. Let it Eka Foster. And here providing the amount, and let's confirm it. So there we have the payment method, which is manual payment, and 2 different customers as well. Moving on to the customer payment, you can finally see them. So now I'm going to click them or select them, and let's create a batch, and there you can find them. Let's validate it. Okay. So under the validation, we are sent them as a customer payment, which is a batch payment. Okay. So we are done with that. If you want to print them, you can print it. And if you want to reconcile it, you can reconcile as well. And moving on to the customers, and there we have an option which is batch payment. Moving on to there you can find 2 batch payments. So there you can find them as well. Okay. So let's click on our batch payment. So now you can see the same batch payment. So that's how simply you can create a batch payment under the Odoo accounting module. So once you are done with that, it will moving on to the reconciliation, and there you can finally do all such things inside here. So the key characteristics of a batch payment is multiple payment entries exist and each payment remains separate in accounting, and payments are grouped only for the processing or often used with the bank integration and payment files as well. So that's all about the difference between the group payment and the batch payment inside Odoo 19 accounting module. So I hope you all understood this video. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll be back with another or more accounting tutorials. So till that, bye-bye.